Which of the following boxes should replace the question mark to complete the pattern? So we have 3 boxes here, and we're going to find a rule of relationship, apply it to help us find our 4th missing box. So just looking at these first 3 boxes, I can see a lot of similarities. They're all 4x4 grids with 3 black boxes and the rest being white. Now if you're very good at spatial reasoning and you can visualize it in your mind, you may find the answer very quickly. You can see that the box is actually turning 90 degrees clockwise. So all you have to do to find the answer is to flip it 90 degrees again, and then you have the answer. But for those of us that aren't so good at spatial reasoning in our minds, we're going to go it a little slower. So we'll take one box and we'll start with the top left, and we're going to compare how it moves along the boxes. And we don't know if it's the same box, but what I do see is that in each box a different corner is blacked out. So it starts with the top left, then the top right, and then the bottom right. So following this rule, we would expect our missing box to have it in the bottom left over here. So when we go to our answer options, we can already remove option B and option C. Now another thing I noticed is that with the other 2 remaining black boxes, there's a white box in the middle, regardless of where it is. So we can look at our answer options and remove any option that doesn't have one white box in the middle. And when we look, A works, D works, but E has 2 white boxes as its diagonal, so we can remove option E. And now looking at A and D, the difference is that A is vertical and D is horizontal. So let's go back to our original boxes. In the first one, it is vertical, and then horizontal, and then vertical. So following this pattern of vertical, horizontal, vertical, we would expect our missing box to have a horizontal one. And when we look at the answer options of A and D, D is the one with the horizontal, so D will be our final answer.